Alright guys, good morning and welcome to another Alpha.Daily FX market analysis. As usual, we're going to start with the economic calendar, but first let me go over yesterday's trade, which actually it was just an order because it was never executed. Price continued running away from us and into our supply zone. Let's go to the 16 hours. Oh, alright. If we see here, huge supply zone here. Boom. Hit, and now currently is pulling back from that level. Let's go to the 4 hours to check if we can refine that. Yeah, no, it's not one. Yep. All right, so we had our trade there, our order actually there, and it got never executed. It's part of the deal, so we move on. Let's delete this one, let's delete this one, this and this. All right, now we move forward to economic calendar. What do we have? 8 a.m. we had GBP news, everything better than expected. That's pretty bullish for GBP, so it's most probable that we're going to end up trading something related. I guess we'll see in the next few minutes. Then 11 a.m. we have European GDP, yearly and quarterly. That's high impact news. So there you go. If you're thinking about trading euro, mind that time where the report is gonna come out. And during the afternoon we have the final core PPI, and initial show-less claim. We have those two that are key reports for the US economy in matters of inflation, right? And economic strength. So let's check our heat map. First, let's write this down, right? We have 11 a.m. Euro GDP. And we have, what time was the PPI? 2:30, right? I imagine it's 2:30, but just to 2:30 as usual, exactly. All right. Yes, PPI and initial jobless claims. All right. Now, heat map. Let's see what we have here. Oh. Okay, what do you see, guys? Quick feedback. Yeah, JPY very strong. What else? All right. Yeah, nothing clear to pair it with. Yep. Okay, so let's go to here and replace this. So we have the clearest winner is JPY. And second, we could say GBP, right? Is the only one green against everything except JPY besides gold. So, and as we don't trade gold for the moment, at least not in the very short term, JPY and GBP. Okay, goes to the weakest. Which are the weakest? Yes. CHF and Euro. But what do we have? Which of the two would we be trading, considering we have 11 a.m. news? Exactly, GPY, CHF. Yeah, GPY, CHF, and GBP. CHF. Okay, let's go check the charts now. Let's follow our process, right? Boom. First, Dixie, sorry. The process is first to bear in mind always what Dixie is doing. Dixie, aka dollar index, aka US dollar. Still bearish, as we expected. Let's go to the daily. Just want to check the daily to see when are we getting to a high quality demand zone. It looks like we are, but not in the daily. Let's go to the 16. Yeah, we are in the 16 high quality demand zone. Rally base rally. Didn't have any major reaction, so I don't think this is gonna hold. Today is Wednesday. Yeah, unless PPI comes and rescue the dollar is gonna keep on sliding down. So let's go to the 1 hour. Let's check market structure. Bearish. All bearish. In a slight consolidation at the moment, but mainly if we go to the 4 hours, we are bearish, doing lower lows, lower highs. If you see here, low, high, lower low, lower high, same low, same high, correction. Higher high, lower low. So now it's gonna do a lower high, and that is what it would be expected, right? So we could say we are still in bearish. Let's continue. Now let's go to our pairs, right? Which were JPY and CHF, GBP and CHF, okay? JPY. So we have CHF and JPY on the swing open orders. All right. All right. Let's check it. So JPY is strong and CHF is weak, right? So we are expecting this to go lower. Lower, right? Do we have a bear market structure here? Yeah, we could say so. Oh, lower high, lower low, consolidation, 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 higher high, and now lower low. So we're expecting for it to come retest this level and continue more lower. All right. Then we need to find some quality supply zone around here. Like this one, really like this one. But we have like very huge drop right here, so let's go to 15. As you know, I don't like to short in discount or buy in premium over a price leg. We have this supply here, right here, and this is definitely like this one. So we're gonna set our order right here. I'm gonna put the stop loss right there. 24 pips. 54 pips. Okay, that's our first order. First order position right there. CHFJPY order. Boom. And I'll show you the screen in order if you want to take some screen captures or whatever. Entry price 182.23, stop loss 182.48, take profit 180.170. All right. That's our first one. The other one would be GBP CHF, right? Let's check GBP CHF. So we should be in an uptrend, bullish market structure, and we are. That's good news. We are in a bullish market structure. We have recent better than expected UK news. Let me see. Here we have. So here we have like a pretty clear supply area. Let's wipe it all this. Why the range is so tight? Look at that. So news better than expected, went up, came back again within the range, and still in this very tight range. 4 pips range? Really? What's going on here? Okay, we're not touching this one. We're definitely not touching this one. Okay, we're staying only with the... I don't like it. I don't like the chart pass. Sorry. Look at this. Why so much compression price? Maybe we should check. Let's check. We went down. Demand. So we are looking to go long the GBP that's being shorted by no commercials, but the CHF is also being shorted. GBP is being shorted a lot, way more than CHF. So it's simple, right? When you don't see a trade, you don't trade. You don't need to force anything. So we're gonna leave only CHFJPY, this order right here. And that's it for today, guys. Remember, follow your rules, trade your plan, be an alpha at everything you do. See you guys. Bye bye.